Chapter 3, Europe in the 19th Century, Conflict of Monarchical and the Nationalist Idea. In this chapter, we will learn about the conflict between these two ideas in Europe in the 19th century. First, we have to understand what is the nation state and what is the nationalism. Nation state. Nation state is when a group of people living in a particular area, geographical area, speaking the same language, combine together as one people distinct from other under a powerful king. It's a nation state. There are various factors of the nation state. Some of them are federalism towards at the end, church supports the powerful monarchy, and the support of middle class towards the king. The first two nation states under the strong monarchy were the England and the France. Now, what is nationalism? Nationalism, first we have to know that the nationalism was a product of French Revolution and Napoleonic warfare in Europe. It is the sense of the unity felt by the people who shares the same history, language and culture. It is the sense of unification as also for the independence. There are also various factors or various reasons for the nationalism. The first one is the absolute monarchy develops the nationalism, French Revolution as we discussed earlier, and the Napoleon conquering countries with the feeling of the nationalism. Now, downfall of the Napoleon and his empire. As we all know that in 1815 he met his doom in the final battle of Waterloo. Conflict of the monarchical and the nationalist idea. After the defeat of Napoleon, peace returned in Europe, but at the Congress of Vienna to redraw the map of Europe, they forgot the wish and aspiration of the small states and peoples, replaced the nationalism or republic by the absolute monarchy. This bring the conflict or litigation. As we know that the four most important powers, the first one is Russia, Great Britain, Persia, and Persia and Austria, Russia, Persia, and England. These are the four power who contribute to the downfall of the Napoleon, as we all know. Okay. Now, what is Congress of Vienna? The diplomats forms the Congress of Vienna. Deeply influenced by the nationalism, people of Europe demanding reforms. These reforms was made by the Metternich. Metternich is the chancellor of Austria. He introduced a system known as the Metternich system. The objectives of the system was the preservation of the arrangement made in the Vienna Congress, hostility to the liberalism and the nationalism, and preservation of the monarchy. But he was a believer of monarchy system. He successfully convinced the big power of in Europe there was a revolutionary conspiracy against the monarchical system. With the help of big power, he built up a police system to prevent the spread of the idea of liberalism and the nationalism. People neither gain nationalism nor democracy. So in 1815, aspiration of the people were mainly of twofold. One is nationalist and the second one is democratic. To weaken the Metternich control over the Europe, a revolution took place in 1830. This revolution known as the July Revolution because it started in July. Before that, we should know that in France in 1815, Louis XVIII came up the throne and made a compromise between the liberalism and conservatism. But die-hard French royalists opposed him and his system. After his death in 1824, his brother Charles X came up the throne. Charles X introduced a system of pre-revolutionary states. He wanted to restore the power of clergy and aristocracy. He published his July Ordinance. In the ordinance, he restricted the freedom of press, demonized the number of electors and stopped voting rights and announced a free election. Immediately, a revolt broke out in Paris in July 18, which is called the July Revolution in 1830. The revolt had a great impact in other parts of the Europe also, like the France, Britain, Poland, England, Spain, Portugal, etc. Some of their revolt were suppressed.